Hello, design enthusiasts. Welcome to Interior Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for innovative and inspiring home decor ideas. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that can breathe life and style into any space: the indoor plant decor ideas. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. If you're looking to elevate your home's aesthetic with indoor plants decor, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. Let's begin with a fundamental definition. Indoor plant decor refers to the strategic placement and arrangement of plants within your home to enhance its visual appeal and create a healthier environment. It's more than just adding greenery. It's about integrating plants seamlessly into your interior design to complement and elevate your existing style. This involves considering factors like plant types, container choices, placement, and overall aesthetic harmony. Essentially, it's the art of using living elements to transform your space. We're talking about taking what was once a simple room and giving it a dynamic, vibrant feel through the strategic integration of nature. Now let's address the why. Why should you consider adding indoor plants to your decor? The benefits are multifaceted. Firstly, plants significantly improve air quality by filtering out toxins and increasing oxygen levels. This contributes to a healthier living environment. Secondly, they add a touch of nature, creating a calming and relaxing atmosphere. Visually, plants add texture, color, and a sense of life to any room. They can soften harsh lines, fill empty spaces, and serve as focal points. From a psychological standpoint, studies have shown that indoor plants can reduce stress and improve mood. So it's not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a space that nurtures both your body and mind. How to decorate my interior with indoor plants decor to look good. This is where the practical application comes in. How do you actually make your indoor plants look good? It's all about thoughtful arrangement and consideration. Start by assessing your space. Identify areas that could benefit from greenery, such as empty corners, shelves, or tabletops. Consider the lighting conditions in each area, as different plants have different light requirements. Next, choose plants that complement your existing decor style. For example, minimalist spaces might benefit from sleek, sculptural plants, while bohemian interiors could feature a mix of lush, trailing varieties. Play with varying heights and textures to create visual interest. Use stylish containers that enhance your decor. Group plants together to create a focal point, or use them to frame windows or doorways. Don't be afraid to experiment and rearrange until you find a layout that works for you. Remember that balance and intentionality are key. Here are 10 specific ideas to get you started. 1. Vertical gardens. Utilize wall space with vertical gardens. This is perfect for small apartments or creating a green feature wall. Use modular planters or hanging pockets to grow a variety of plants. 2. Hanging plants. Suspend plants from ceilings or walls to add dimension and visual interest. Trailing plants like pothos or string of pearls are excellent choices. 3. Plant groupings. Create a mini indoor garden by grouping plants of different sizes and textures together. This adds depth and creates a focal point in any room. For shelf styling, integrate small potted plants onto shelves alongside books and decorative items. This adds a touch of greenery without overwhelming the space. 5. Windowsill gardens. Utilize windowsills to create a mini herb garden or display sun-loving plants. This maximizes natural light and adds a fresh touch to your kitchen or living room. 6. Statement plants. Use large, dramatic plants like fiddle leaf figs or monstera as focal points in your living room or entryway. This creates a bold and impactful statement. 7. Terrariums. Create miniature ecosystems with terrariums. These are perfect for small spaces and add a unique, decorative element. 8. Bathroom plants. Introduce humidity-loving plants like ferns or orchids into your bathroom to create a spa-like atmosphere. The added humidity is great for these types of plants. 9. Kitchen herb gardens. Grow fresh herbs in your kitchen for both aesthetic and culinary purposes. This adds a practical and visually appealing element to your cooking space. 10. Plant dividers. Use tall, leafy plants to create natural room dividers. This is perfect for open-plan spaces and adds a sense of privacy and separation. What are the best indoor plants for room decor? Choosing the right plants is crucial for successful indoor decor. Consider factors like light requirements, maintenance needs, and aesthetic appeal. Some of the best indoor plants for room decor include: first, Monstera deliciosa. Known for its large, distinctive leaves, it adds a tropical touch. Second, snake plant or Sansevieria. Low maintenance and air purifying. It's perfect for beginners. Third, pothose or Epipremnum aureum. Versatile and easy to care for. It's ideal for hanging or trailing. Fourth, ZZ plant or Zamioculcas zamifolia. Tolerates low light and requires minimal watering. Fifth, fiddle leaf fig or Ficus lyrata. A statement plant with large, glossy leaves. Sixth, peace lily or Spathiphyllum. Adds elegance and purifies the air. Seventh, spider plant or Chlorophytum comosum. Easy to propagate and air purifying. Eighth, air plants or Tillandsia. Unique and require no soil. Perfect for creative displays. Ninth, succulents. Low maintenance and come in a variety of shapes and colors. 10th, ferns. Add a lush, green texture to any space, especially bathrooms. These plants are not only visually appealing but also relatively easy to care for, making them perfect for both novice and experienced plant enthusiasts. Indoor plants can transform your living space, adding beauty, health benefits, and a touch of nature. By understanding the principles of plant decor and choosing the right plants for your space, you can create a stunning and inviting home. Remember to consider your lighting conditions, personal style, and maintenance capabilities when making your selections. We encourage you to experiment and find what works best for you. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Interior Decor Designs for more expert tips and inspiration. Don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your favorite indoor plant or any questions you may have. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.